The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Grayson County in central Kentucky, Greene County in central Kentucky, southwestern Hardin County in central Kentucky, Hart County in central Kentucky, Ohio County in central Kentucky, Taylor County in central Kentucky, northwestern Adair County in south central Kentucky, northern Barron County in south central Kentucky, Butler County in south central Kentucky, Edmondson County in south central Kentucky, northwestern Metcalfe County in south central Kentucky, northern Warren County in south central Kentucky, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 10:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 4:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated ranges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Campbellsville, Litchfield, Hartford, Morgantown, Greensburg, Munfordville, Brownsville, Three Springs, Casey, and Monroe. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.